media query.html. Media query, QUERY. Using media query, like when you open one website in the laptop screen size will be big size. So the website content should fit in the big laptop. When a person open the same page in a mobile phone, then again the same website has to fit in mobile phone. Okay, so that feature we are going to understand. CSS, how the CSS will understand whether you have opened the page in the laptop or we have opened the page in the mobile. For that, we have a feature from the CSS3. That feature name is called media query. Using the media query, we can identify whether page is large screen, medium screen, or what type of screen is it. Based on screen, we can categorize it and we can make it responsive. So in this file, we'll write the HTML and CSS both together so that file connectivity will happen. Style open, style close. Body open, body close. Okay, now write some CSS for H1 and understand it how it is going to media QUERY. Example CSS3 we can add CSS3 media. CSS3 media query example. Now in this file, write first for this H1. For H1 tag, let's keep the font size by default somewhere 80 px and text align center. Center and color as red. Font size 80 px, text align center and color as red. Color as red. So when we run the page by default, whether you run in any device, large device, a small device, medium device, any type of device once you run the page, you will find the H1 font size is 80 pixel and color will be by default is a red color and it will come in the middle of the screen. Something like that. Okay. Next is if a person will open in mobile phone, this page if a person open in a mobile phone, you want to display the same font size because mobile phone width will be equal to one character or maybe this much. Maximum here 405 this much mobile phone width, again this much mobile phone width, again this much mobile phone width. What will happen is in mobile phone it will look like the text, the font size is moving out of the screen. Okay. Their user experience will be bad. User has to zoom in, they have to minimize the screen font size, and after that they can read it manually. So that's become a bad user experience. User wanted as soon as I open the page in mobile phone, Your content must fit in the mobile phone. Should not be users should change their screen, you can say font size, or they should zoom in and read the content. Applications should be smart. Applications should be in such a way that should get fit according to a screen size of the user system. So again, in that case, you don't need any programming language. You can continue with the CSS only. So we have a another property, that not property actually, it's a different kind of something like this. At the rate, not at the rate. Hmm. At the rate media, at the rate media and media screen and at the rate media screen. At the rate media space screen. At the rate media space screen and property we need to write and mean hyphen width, mean hyphen width, suppose 1 pixel, very small 1 pixel, and before and after and space is required, and media screen and mean width 1 px and max width assume 600 px. So you are keeping a range between 1 px to 600 px. Okay, so before and after and space, after px no semicolon. Here 1 px you are written, no need of semicolon. Here also 600 px you are written, after px no semicolon. Media screen and min width 1 px and max width 600 px. Then what should happen? The H1 font hyphen size should be small, 30 pixel, maybe 40 pixel, and color should convert into blue color. We can just break the line and arrange it something like this. Okay, hope ready. Save it down, and then we'll see whether in a small window size, H1 font size is getting reduced or not. So hope written. Let's come to the browser and reduce the window size like this. Make it a small window. You will see. After 600, it will come red and big font size. Up to 600, it will come under the. So that also looking still bigger, 40 pixel. We should reduce little. It should be in the single line. 30 pixel will try. 30 pixel is fitting properly. Okay, so make like this and check once. A small window, assume this is a mobile phone, in that say fitting or not. Okay, so getting compressed according to a screen size, window is according to window size, not a screen size. Now come down. This happened for one device. This happened, assume for the mobile phone. Copy the same set and write below. This is called comment line. We can write here medium device, medium device, and after that paste this code. Up to 600 we are given for the extra small. This you can keep as a small, not medium, a small device. The upper one what you wrote, that is extra small. This is for extra small. Extra small. Extra small device. This happened for a small device. Okay, in a small device, we will give 601 to 601 pixel to 800. 800. The font size keep as a 50 and color green color. Okay, so 1 pixel to 600 pixel, 30 pixel font size for H1, blue color. 601 to 800, H1, font size 50 pixel, color as a green color. Now we can check once in both the devices according to screen size is happening or not. Okay. Font size you can reduce little 45. Okay, so for hope two devices, it's got captured. Now we have one more called large device. Extra small, then a small will come. 601 to 800, better we can keep all medium device. Medium device. 608 to 800, 601 to 800, medium device. Now come again below. Write one more call, large device. Action will be same. We'll take one 801 to 900, extra large, 55 pixel font size, color as a orange color. Happening for all three type of device. So we can change little size. Up to 900 we are given, 1000 we can give. It will cover little wide range. 800 1 to 1000. Okay, something like this. So three CSS media query are written. 1 to 600, 601 to 800, 801 to 1000. More than 1000 pixel will go to the default. That is this one. This is the default CSS. More than 1000 pixel, it will go to the default. And these all are kind of if else. If matching this range, if else if matching this range, again else if matching last range. So whichever the range will match, that particular CSS will execute and your page will get controlled easily. Hmm? If else like a if else. Okay, now see for large screen, something like this. Slowly. Right? Okay. Now in this file again, media query 3 times is written. Body color you have to change. The background color you need to change according to device. Like suppose by default white, a small device, extra small, sky blue. Then medium device, pink color. Large device, some other color. Okay, which one? Body background. How you have changed the H1 of background, font size and other property of H1. Similar way, in all three block, change the background of body tab. Do something. Change the background color of body tab according to device. Any three color is okay. Cross color activities. Okay. What is the question? What's the code? Star star plus at the rate media STR same times. Name with one PS and match with system reagent. Okay. At the rate media screen. Medium should be in ascending order. Again, it is ascending order. First will be small. Small, then we have small zero. This change to medium. Common change is running. Small change to medium. Small, medium, large. Okay, now look into the CSS. What is that? Okay, run again. Minimize. Go to not minimize. Make it small. So something wrong. Go to the code again. Go in the beginning. Next one, you wrote something. Then at the rate media, speed and main item, MIS item, just one PS. We have with 600 PS. Then go to the page in browser. Right, maximize it. Next full screen. Do right click. Do page source. Media, MEDIASC, screen spelling correct. Main item with 1 px and max item with 600 px in H1. NOR. Can you remove the comment part? Remove only comment from this button. Remove that line. Color blue is filling it out. Be very important. If you see that you this control 0. control is 0. Okay, count the 4 again. 7 plus 4. The problem is this curly bracket is not closed here. Close that. Now it will have. Okay, you are still working. Then the way we did first. Okay. Now get a small screen. Very small. Very small. Now also similar mistake for the board. With the file we are running, I will file. Inside, okay. So H1 font size 800 px. Something written H1. Here also similarly there. It should be 601 to 800. 801 to 1000 pixel. Now 801. One more. Now media screen CR after and media space and before and after media space. Yeah, okay. 801 to 900, how many times? Two times. Delete one block. No, that block itself will delete. We are written on the 801. You are then. Okay, next after this, so hope for all three devices is running, and we added something for body tab, background changing. For example, see, by default, I have left not given any color. When we go on to the 1 to 600, then for body tag, we can add a property called background orange color. Any color you add. Again, when it goes for the 601 to 800, then for body tag, pink color. Right. Again, when it goes for the 801 to 1000 pixel, background color. background color will be something else. Orange is the background, so sky blue will be the background. Text is orange. Cross color. Anything you can put as a cross color, it should be visible. Now we can go ahead and again sequence. So sky blue, not sky blue, orange. Next is this color, and default is white color. So the same page, if two person will open, then one person will say, in my mobile, background is orange color. One person will say, no yaar, when I open the background was white color. If a person will open in the laptop, background will come white. Person will open in the mobile, the background will come as a orange. Okay. Now, developer is not working around this. What is working? Code is working. Your technology is working. Developer created the page and then uploaded in the server. Sleeping in night, a person will open the website. Then developer is not there. But what is going to work? Technology will work. A person will open in the laptop. That CSS will change the content of the page according to laptop. A person will open in the mobile phone. CSS will rearrange the content according to mobile phone. Okay, some more thing we are going to add in this. Let's come. The three block we added. Now page testing you did. That is in each devices, design wise, color wise, is working fine. I'll remove the background from all three places. We'll keep only H1. Background we'll see in some other example. Let it be background as a white color. Okay, background let it be white color. While modifying, carefully modify. Something else should not be done. We'll remember before and after and. Before and after and compulsory space is required. If you are not giving a space, then syntax error will happen and it will not give you the desired output. We'll copy this file and we'll create another file. This file will look like this simple example for how to manipulate the screen according to screen size. Oh. So we'll copy everything. We'll paste in the next file and we'll save as a media query 2.html. Media query 2.html. In media query 2.html file, after h1, write some divisions. Inside a container, we can write some division. That division will have some class equal to service. Write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You add a number of block. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so how many block? 12 blocks. We'll write one CSS for this container. Container in the beginning. Complete. That's before media query. Has container. Width will be 80%. 80% and margin as a auto. Margin as a auto. Display as grid and another properties are grid template count something. What is that? Column. Grid template column. So 12 we have total. 12 blocks we have created. So we'll keep in one line 4. Auto, auto, auto and auto. So successfully 4 column will fit. Class or ID?
So
Class.
container is a class here.
Class then dot will come. Check now how many blocks are coming. 4 in one line. Only all are going to the new line. We missed something.
So it's columns, grid template columns, I think.
Template grid columns. Okay, ace is missing. Columns. Okay, so 4 are coming properly. Now we'll write some CSS for this one. College service. Here we are given the class called service. For service, we can write some CSS so that some design background and all this. Service will have a background. Add purple color. Margin 40px and padding from top 40px, from left right 0px, from bottom also 40px, and text hyphen align center. Font size also increase. Font size 50px. Color as white. This all CSS is for the service. Okay, service. Next, check once happening. So total 4 blocks in one line. We can add little radius. Seven px. Zero px, 0px, 10px, purple only. Little okay. Now little shadow happen. Little radius got applied. Margin 40 pixel look like more. We can reduce to 30 somewhere. Little space will be reduced. So your container will be resized. Font size if you want, you can increase 60, 70, anything. Instead of fonts text shadow, box shadow, you can write as a text shadow. Box shadow will go to where? Surrounding the box. Text shadow will go for the text. Box shadow replaced by text shadow. Text shadow. T-E-X-T. Text shadow. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so in that, from top you have to give some space. 7, 8. From bottom also you need to give some little. Maybe something 7. Color should be different colors. Like white color you are given. So this box shadow 10 look like more. We need to reduce to 2, 3. And then color should be background is which color? Purple. Text is white. Let's put green. Green. Or black. That should look cross color. Something like this. Everywhere it will create like duplicate number. Ten I given. Look like this. Shadow of that number. Green color, if you want change to some other color. Yellow color maybe. That should look as a copy of. Yeah, yellow is looking more attractive. Try that. That is called text shadow. Same number how we pass for the box shadow, same number we can pass for the text shadow. Similar number of parameter, like from left, from top, density, and then color. Why are div blocks 1 to 5? Now all the divisions are similar height. Height which 9 is more. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because here is a single digit number and here how many digits are there? Double digit. Your contents are more, so container will be wider based on content, single digit and double digit. Okay, next target is according to which one? Device, the number of block has to change. So now 4 blocks are coming. 4 type of devices we have. So in by default 4, in large 3, in medium 2, and in small only 1. So let's come. One place I'll guide you. Remaining 3 places you can do automatically. So we'll go here in what is the class name called container. How many we are creating? 4. That you can copy once. And come to the media query part. First media query. Paste here. In first media query 0 to 600. We'll remove everything. Column count you need to change. How many column will come? Only one. Only one. Sequence. Changes happen. Let's modify remaining. How many columns you want to display your wish? So we'll copy this and we'll go for the second block. You can write as a 2, auto and auto. It will display how many columns? 2 columns. Yeah. देखिए So for 2 devices I have written. One more device you have, the third one. There you can make as a total 3 blocks. Auto, auto and auto. One is coming. 2 happen. 3 happen. 4 happen. Right? So all type of users, whichever the device the user will open the page, they will feel like content is not overlapping, content is fitting properly. So this is called media query. Called media query. Okay. Next, after this, the page we have created 4-5 pages. This one, our previous examples. Check spelling. So this page is what we have created, right? You can see here overlapping. So we need to change the which one number of columns. We have to modify the font size. We need to change the something. This you can see this content went out of the block. Font size should get reduced in this case so that it should not go outside. So this page will make it responsive. Not coming or coming? You have the problem at this point. Which point? Here. If the curly brackets are not closed properly, then confusion will happen. Writing somewhere else, you will write somewhere else. Comment we can write if anywhere you feel like looking something, you can add comment there, and through comment we can identify. What is the reason in the code? Problem is there, line number 42. Okay, number is not 42 line. Yes, after the close the extra early it is the most dedication will give these guys. Okay, so we'll open that file. Previous file. This three set of media query. So this file are available. Home login service and all. So first open the service file. Yes, and open the style.css file. Open the service file and open the style.css file. Okay, in service file, we have one called container, not container, service. It's called service, and inside we have called service data. Service and service data. For service data, no need to do anything. Only we need to play around the service. In CSS file, we have CSS for service also. We can see we have a CSS for service, and how many columns we are displaying? 3 columns, right? 3 column is by default. Okay, 3 column is by default. We will see if device is very small device, then only 1 column. If device is medium, then 2 column. By default, 3. Okay, so you will follow me. You will copy this service section and come to the end of the page. End of the page, CSS file, and you will write there call media query start here. Media query start here. And you will write first if @media screen @media screen and mean hyphen width 1 px and max hyphen width is 700 px. Min width is 1 px and max width is how much? 700 px. Then the service class number of column will be only one. Service class number of column will be only one. Number of column will be only one. Number of class will be only one, column will be only one. Written. Now run the service file and go for the smallest device. See what is the structure. Should look like this. Up to 700, it will look like this. Your each service will go to the new line. It will not overlap. Up to 700, it will look like this. Check कीजिए, please check once, confirm also working or not. Okay, this is for the small device. Then next will be 700 to 1000 pixel, 2 block. So we can copy the same and we can add below and we can write 701 to 1000 px. The service will be 2, auto and auto, 2 times. So it will create total 2 column. More than 1000 pixel, 3 column is by default. Okay. So hope you checked it and it look like this. 2 is coming. More than that, 3 will come. So this we can increase little. 750 we can do here. And here 751 to 1050. To 1050 we can give. 1050. Let's keep 1. Okay, so hope happening. Next, we'll go for the other files and we'll see the possibility of other overlapping problem. So it will get fixed in home also. This too automatically because everywhere we are calling same class. Next problem is related to this banner. Content what we have added. So in the CSS file, if you see banner, we have font size we are given here called 40 px and padding we have called 100 padding and font size is a 40. So we need to work on that. Okay, so come to the again media query. Go in a smallest device. Write for banner. Write for banner. Okay, for banner. First reduce the padding somewhere 20 and font size somewhere 20. Font size also as a 20 as well as padding is also as a 20. So when it come in a small device, space should not consume more. Should not consume more space. We'll go here and we'll see in extra small device. See, content got arranged. Earlier it was going out of the box. So home page complete got optimized. Menu related is a fitting 3. We'll see something for this also. In about page, what is the condition? In about page again, service part is okay. This has to rearrange. The 2 column is coming here. It should not be 2 column. It should be only 1 column. See, so getting comparison, this one and this one. So in about file now you find out what is the class for that. In our about page we have about. So easily under the extra small CSS you can write for hash about column count only one so that it will fit one after other automatically. It will fit top to bottom. It will fit top to bottom. About is class name. Yeah, about is class name. Dot you can keep here. It should fit properly. Top to bottom. Log is okay. Okay. Okay, in login page, you will see the font size is validity. Login and register. In login page, this font, suppose if you go to register, the font, this one is okay. This size is okay, but font size is very big. In register also, login also. About is okay. Service is somehow is fine. Home, okay. So we need to write the font size for H1 tag. Somewhere H1 we have written. H1 we have written. Font size how much? 50. That we can change in a small device as a 30 somewhere or 35. So H1 font hyphen size, font size 35. 35. H1 font size 35. Font size 35. You can check once how it is. Register 35 is okay. Now related to this navigation, you can see huge space is there surrounding. Font size is also bigger, plus it is going to the new line. We can reduce the space, we can reduce little font size, it will fit in one line. Okay, so that you can do easily. So let us find out for what is that. We have follow ULLI. We have UL and we have LI. See now, for ULLI, padding how much? 18, 35, 18. And ULLIA font size is 20. This we need to work out. Okay. So let's come to the very small size, extra small device. And you will write here first for UL and LI tag. Under the UL, whichever the LI we have, padding should not be okay. Top 18, bottom 18 is okay. Left, right, we are given 35. That is huge. Reduce to 5. Then under the UL, you have LI. Under the LI, there is a E tag. Reduce the font size to 16, 18 pixels somewhere, 17 pixel. and check once. Still here there? Okay, one is going to the new line. We have little space, we can manage it. Up to here it is okay. Okay, up to here it is okay. So what we will do is make little less font, somewhere 15, and we'll do some other things also. Okay, so in this font it will fit properly. How much? 1.5 or 1.4? 1.4.5. Let's give that. So work. So menu also got optimized. Pages also got optimized. Content got rearranged. Little big size once you go. See, there is a problem here. Up to 700 is okay, 750. More than 750, little problem. Here also, in banner also, as well as in menu also. So banner and menu we need to still write. Okay. So come to the CSS. We have already written here CSS. So there we can do some changes. For banner, copy that you have written on the top, no banner, 20 pixel. We can go to the second media query and we can add here padding, keep 20 pixel only, increase little font size to 30 px. Okay, should not be very small. 30 pixel will be okay, or 25. Hello. Hello. Yes, tell me. Not there as of now. Python is not there now as of now. It will start from January and next month. No, we don't have anyone. Okay, hope written. Banner padding 20 px. Font size how much? 30 px. So banner should fit now. Banner is fitting. Banner is fitting. Next is related to menu. A small changes we have to do for ULLI again. So ULLIA. This both you can copy again from here. Come down in the second block, we can add this. 5 pixel padding is very less. We can keep 10. And this font size 15 we can convert into 18. Then it will be okay. I hope something like this. Let's go ahead and make it. So this is the biggest screen. Content and all is okay. When we come little small, this become your medium size. Content is fitting. Here also instead of 3 become as a 2. Service. When we go little smaller, the banner will get fit automatically. Plus instead of 2 block, now it will come only 1 block. As well as this menu will get rearranged. This is called media query. Now using media query, what you are doing? Using media query, what we did? Page we have designed already. Now with the help of media query, we are able to understand the screen size. With the help of media query, you are able to understand the screen size. And again, using the CSS, we rearrange the content. So final answer will be media query used to design the responsive web page. Okay. What is the media query? So media query used to is a part of CSS3. Media query is the part of CSS3. It used to design the responsive web page. That's all. What is the syntax for that? Media, screen, min width, max width. Some more way is there. Media, screen is also there. Only max width is there, min width is there, and combination of both this one we have. Minimum and maximum. Okay. Okay, so our next example will be tomorrow. How to make the menu and submenu. Like suppose you have the service here. When the mouse will go in services, submenu will get open. Service 1, service 2, service 3. Submenu, navigation, menu inside menu. Okay, so that we'll see tomorrow how to create the menu and submenu.